Is accounting that bad? I am from the accounting industry, and that is the reason I am making this video. I believe that accounting can be made easy if it was taught in simple language for all to understand. So here's my mini experiment. Imagine Ella. Ella loves lemonade, so she decided to set up a stall selling lemonades. To start selling lemonades, Ella headed to the supermarket to buy some lemon, sugar, and water. This makes up her assets. Assets are resources that belongs to you. After squeezing the lemon and mixing it with sugar and cold water, her lemonade was ready for sale. But Ella still needed a stall. She decided to rent a space with an agreement to pay the next day after she has made some sales. At this current point, the rental that Ella owes the store owner is her liability. In simple words, liability is what you owe people, and the rental that she has to pay for the store is her expense. Expense is money spent in order to sell something. With her store all set up, many customers came to buy lemonade since it was, for the sake of this story, a really hot day. The money Ella makes is called sales, more commonly known as revenue. Revenue is money you make from your business. At the end of the day, it was time for Ella to account for what she had. Let's take a look at what we have so far. The materials bought were her inventory that she owns that were paid with cash. The materials were then used for her lemonade. These are accounted for as the cost of the goods that she is going to sell. She then rented a store with an agreement to pay the next day. These are her liability and expense. She sold all her lemonade for the day, and her revenue is received in cash. In a business, assets are split between creditor and the owner. This is why the accounting equation is asset equals liability plus owner's equity. When we deduct the liability from the total asset in this story, we see the balance that Ella gets to keep in her own pockets. This may be a really basic accounting example, but it explains what assets, liabilities, owner equity, revenue, and expenses are. This is the power of storytelling with simple language. And this is why I believe that accounting isn't that bad if you're taught in a manner you could understand.